What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to another unboxing. We're about to crack into this, and if you stay to the end, you can find out how you can win some of the stuff that's in this box. Before we actually crack into the box, I want to see if they add some new stuff, or it's just like the same stuff over and over again. I haven't got any repeated items, but at the very least, I want to see if there's just a pattern that they keep sending. See if they actually spice it up every couple of months just based on the box, or do they just send boxes with whatever out. We're gonna see if this is actually still worth the $90 plus for the essential package. You guys can make that determination for yourself after seeing this stuff. So let's crack into it. All right, so this one, if we're just going based off of like feel and looks, it's a little smaller, it's a little light, but I haven't gotten like jeans or anything in a while, so that's my guess for this box. All right, so first thing out this box, we have Creative Society, a Creative Society shirt. I think it says Creative Society, Lyra Manufacturing Company, established some date. Honestly, it looks like a pretty cheap graphic tee, TBH, but I don't know. You guys let me know if you like it. It's just white. This is a size large, I believe, so yeah. But I've never heard of this company or brand. I don't even know what graphic that is. Cool, I guess. Just something light to throw on with a jacket, with a sweater or flannel or something. I don't know. Drop that right there. Now this is an undefeated shirt. I don't think I've gotten any undefeated shirts yet, but hey, this is nice, pretty basic. I like the basicness of it. Mexico, this is a size large. I think this would be nice. I gotta try this out later, but this is a nice blue. I like the baby blueness of it. Periwinkle or something. Undefeated right there. I like that so far. I'll probably end up keeping this one, but we'll see later how it fits. Also, I'm gonna be trying this stuff on later if you don't already know. Ooh, we got another classic item. The classic hat right there, a classic white hat. We'll see how this looks later. Obviously, white hats are dangerous, but for the summer, it's definitely a cool color and cool vibe. So, got the classic hat right there. Pretty basic, just black and white right there. Maybe it's gonna go with that white graphic tee. I don't know. We'll see. Seems like sweatpants. Oh, it's shorts. Oh, it's Young and Reckless shorts. I think I've owned a Young and Reckless piece of clothing. There was a time where, you know, DJ Drama, dude, he was banking off of that. Young and Reckless was making money. These are some nice shorts. They're nice black. They have the Reckless thing right there. So who knows? We'll try that on later again. What you guys saying about these right here? There's one more item, I think. Let's pull this out. Tommy Hilfiger shorts. So this was like a summer type of box. So I don't know if that was on purpose or if they just kind of got it right for the summer because they included 2 shorts and 2 shirts and a hat. It's like the little block right there on the bottom left, bottom right, depending on how we're looking. The Tommy shorts right there. Those are nice blue color. They do seem like they'd be a little long for me, but again, we're trying these out, and whatever doesn't fit, you guys are gonna get. So, also, do these have pockets? Oh yeah, they have pockets. I thought these didn't have pockets. All right, just making sure there's nothing in this box. But all right, these shorts, those 2 shirts, and the hat. We're gonna try that on right now. I've been waiting for a long time for this. I'm out of the cave now. Hey.
Watch me talk my shit, I still mind my words. Y'all just shop y'all list. I got some words on my side, too bad that all of them work. So I had to get it myself, a pedal goes out of the dirt. I just sit down with the stencil, 2 doubles in a benzo. Still got the pad right, shit is all tight, look like a bento. I gotta repeat, I'm the gold sheet, gotta put it up now. 10 toes on my feet, no police, gotta rough it out. Ain't no quitting now, better simmer down, Henny in the air, I'ma pour it out. Gotta get it now, yeah, I've been a while, had to get away, polish up the sound. I hit the big of the biz, everyone running the race. I know they talking for real, I see the hate in their face. Watch me time my shit.
So you just saw me trying all that stuff, and I think this undefeated shirt is probably my favorite. I just like the color and the feel of it. Let me know what was your favorite item down below. If the stuff that I don't want, make sure to hit me in my DMs on Instagram and just comment which stuff that you want. First people that contact me about those items are gonna get those items. Yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this box. Are they getting better? Are they getting worse in your opinion? If you're receiving boxes, how are they faring for you? Are they good boxes? Are they bad boxes? Thank you guys for watching. Maybe to follow me on the socials down below. Remember to click that link for $50 inside your first box off of Threadbeast. Not sponsored, but it helps you out and it also helps me out. Remember to flip that trash into cash, and as always, I will see you on the next one. What? The video's not done? Oh my gosh. So right now I am going to Goodwill and I just want to take you guys with me. We haven't done a thrift trip in a minute, so I haven't been to this local one since moving back into town. So been a good 3-4 months since I've been here, and I don't know if there's some good stuff in there. I don't know if there's some bad stuff in there, what the inventory is looking like, but we're gonna check it out for ourselves and see what the quality is like. So I'm gonna take you with me. We're gonna stop by, hit the Goodwill, maybe some more after that, and maybe make some money. So let's go right now. We gotta check the mail first because your boy is expecting a package. We got it. All right, so we got 6P. Oh, it's right here, clutch, right underneath. Ah, shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so we cop. Package has been secured. Now we can move on. It's hot today, boy. Crazy, dude. Whenever you don't want to complain that you're paying $65, remember this guy right here just put over 100 for his truck. Bro, remember when you could like throw a $5 in the tank and just like be good for a couple days? Now, bro, you can't even get anywhere with a $5. And that's in Florida. Like, at least like right here, look at this. Our gas prices aren't even that bad. Like, look, it's $4.89. That's not even bad. I'm not even complaining, but it's just like, if your homie's asking for gas now, you can't just like be, hey, let me slide you a little McChicken or something. Like, I'll pay you back, or I got a $5 on me. Now it's gotta be like 10 bucks at least. But we ain't complaining down here in Florida, you know. Under $5. Most places are over that, so we're chilling. Let's go to the thrift store. We just found some gems. I'm cupping this Backstreet Boys. Also cupping this for sure. Nope, not Xbox One. Xbox One ones go for more money. You guys know me, I love my train sets, but the last one I still have, so I don't know if I'm gonna get that. Real quick, I wanted to hop in here because I don't know if you heard me, but I did pick this up for $5.98. It should sell around for like 20 bucks or so. Around $14-15 profit. Not too bad, but after months of not thrifting and going to this thrift store in so long, nice little pickup to get us back on the grind. Just wanted to hop in here and let you know what exactly I picked this up for. So we didn't get that much, which is a little sad, but we did get that game. Only caught that game. I didn't get the Backstreet Boys thing. I was just so I can test some VHSs out, but I have like 2 other ones that I'm gonna use, so we're not getting those. But it was cool. I haven't thrifted in a long time, so it was cool finding a gem, just like a Super Mario that no one picked up, and just the like adrenaline rush, like, oh, I found one. But that was cool. But right now we are going to reward myself with something that I love truly, which is, no, I'm placing an order. Yeah, it's just one spicy crab roll. Yeah. No, that's it. But yeah, did cut me the sushi right here. Excellent consolation prize for not finding that much stuff or that much profit at the thrift store. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to flip that trash into cash. And as always, I will see you on the next one.
Watch me talk my shit. I still my